Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna unboxing my new phone, which is Samsung A33 that I have bought in one of online shop in my country, which is Indonesia. So without any further ado, let's get started. And yeah guys, now I have a scissors in my hand. I'm gonna open it. But in this part, maybe I will speed up so as not to waste the time. And yeah, it's already open, and here I get two free SIM card, as you can see. I'll put it aside first. And now let's see the packaging. It used paperwork, so it's safe for shipping, I guess. I'm gonna put the cardboard aside first. And yeah, as you can see here, the paper warps all the parts. Now I'm gonna use scissors again to open. And again, I'm gonna speed it up. And yeah guys, here I have the blue Samsung A33 box in my hand. And it's the back side look like. A little explanation about this phone. And at the top, there is a warning: if it is already open, don't buy it. Here the right and the left side, as you can see, it's only Samsung name. And at the bottom, here we get an info with the variant of the Samsung and of course about the email. And now I'm gonna open the box, but I'm gonna skip it so it doesn't waste the time. And once we open the box, we'll find this. Let's check what is in it. I'm sorry guys, cause I have trouble, so I skip it. Anyway, here we get a warranty card. And here the user manual, and also here we get the USB for charging. This USB with the Type-C, by the way. So guys, now let's check the phone first. Oh wow, we got a free SIM card again here. But I don't know, it's only in my country, which is Indonesia, or in another place we got it too. But anyways, I'm gonna put it first. Now also we get a SIM ejector at the back here. But anyways, here's the phone. Here I'm gonna open the plastic wrap first. And here you are, very simple shape I guess. Finishing the back of the body is made of doff. It gives a premium impression even though the back is actually made of polycarbonate. And about the frame is made of metal, and the color follows the back cover, so match. And now we're going to the right side. There are power and volume buttons. And now guys, we're going to the top side. There are microphone and SIM tray hybrid. And now we're going to the left side. There's nothing. And at the bottom there are microphone, there are port USB Type-C, and then the speaker. The speaker is already stereo at the bottom and is supposed by the speaker both. But guys, I just realized on this phone at the bottom and at the top there is no headphone jack. Yeah, but the plus part of this phone is that it has IP67. And about the screen size, it has 6.4 inches and the resolution is HD+. And here I have SIM ejector in my hand. And I'm gonna open the SIM tray first. Here you are. And yeah, as you can see, it can be dual SIM card because you can replace the micro USB part for a SIM card. It's optional actually. And about the bezel part, I think it's pretty thick. I don't really like it, but yeah, it's okay. So far it's good. And for the camera, it has 48 megapixel for the main camera and 8 megapixel for the ultrawide, and for the selfie camera it has 13 megapixel. And now we talk about the battery. This phone on 500 mAh per hour for charging at 25 watt. And yeah guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!